Assalaamualaikum and welcome back to the Deen Diggers Islam Quiz Answers video. We are thrilled to share the answers to our first interactive quiz and see how many of you got all the questions correct. Thank you to everyone who participated and submitted their answers. Let's go through each question to see if you got them right. The winner will be announced at the end of this video. Question number 1. Who was the first prophet in Islam? The correct answer is D. Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. Question number 2. Which angel delivered the revelations to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? The correct answer is B. Angel Jibrail. Question number 3. In which month do Muslims fast from dawn until sunset? The correct answer is C. Ramadan. Question number 4. What is the name of the holy book revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? The correct answer is D. Quran. Question number 5. How many times a day are Muslims required to pray? The correct answer is B. 5. Question 6. Which city do Muslims face during prayer? The correct answer is B. Makkah. Question number 7. During which month was the Quran first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him? The correct answer is B. Ramadan. Question number 8. What is the Arabic term for charity given as a pillar of Islam? The correct answer is C. Zakat. Question number 9. Which prophet is known for his patience and is often referred to as the patient one in Islamic tradition? The correct answer is B. Prophet Ayub, peace be upon him. And finally, question number 10. Which night is considered the holiest night in Islam, often called the night of power? The correct answer is B. Laylatul Qadr. Congratulations to everyone who answered all questions correctly. We are excited to announce the winner of the $20 gift card is May Harkness. Mashallah, a big congratulations to you. Please check your emails for instructions on claiming your gift card. If you didn't win this time, don't worry. There will be more quizzes and more chances to win. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quiz. Thank you to everyone who participated. Your support means the world to us. Jazakallah khair, and we will see you in the next quiz episode, inshallah.